Good morning, everybody, and happy Sunday to you guys. May God bless you. Today is Sunday, and I want to use this opportunity to say happy Sunday, happy last Sunday. Actually, what I want to say today, as you all know, my name is MC Innoty, is kit maker and a Nollywood actor, upcoming actor. And there are things I really notice and find out, and that is annoying me sometimes, you understand. So this one about 2 weeks ago, a bit, yes, 2 weeks ago, I found out that Nigeria TikTok does not really mean anything, and I decided to acquire on how I can get a UK TikTok. By the grace of God, I saw somebody and I tried to explain to him. I said I need a UK TikTok, and the person said, okay, I will pay a sum of 30,000 naira, which I paid just to get the UK TikTok, so that by in case I do any content, I will be paid. Then later on, I find out that after I might have gotten the UK TikTok, I take it as a pain to me, and I say, okay, I will learn how to create this UK TikTok, which I tried my best to do, and I left the one that the person created for me, and I decided to create my own. And by the grace of God, I was unable to create the same TikTok that I paid 30,000 naira for. I create it by myself, and it's functioning even more than the one that the person created for me. So because of that, in Nigeria here, we don't assist somebody without maybe taxing the person much. Even if you want to even tax somebody safe, at least tax somebody small money, so that at least you know, so okay, at least because your time, tax somebody for your little time and all that. But now we want the tax person big money, 30,000 naira to create TikTok web. So let me create for us, so 30,000 naira, which is not really good. Now I've take it as a pain to teach anybody that want to really learn how to create UK or US TikTok, and I'm not going to tax people much. At least 5,000 naira is enough just for my time. And from there you can even create for somebody else if you want to. So you get me. So but before I must create a UK TikTok or a US TikTok for you, since I have learned it, and I will pay to learn it. That is how I found out that it's not even hard. I pay to learn it. You get me? I pay just to learn it. I pay almost 50-something thousand naira just to learn how to create it. Understand? And now I know how to create it now, and I can create it for anybody. You get me? So but before I will create it for you, you will pay the 5,000, and you must follow my page. You must follow my page, because I have to grow my page as well. So you must follow my page. If you know you don't want to follow my page, you just want to pay the 5,000, even with your money, I will not create it for you. So anytime at all, once you see my message or you see my video, please do well to follow my page before I will be able to create it for you. Thank you.